Welcome in our second tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn some tricks to expand mathematical formulas. You may have deal with a plus b whole square. This is the most common and most used formula. You can easily expand it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, you can expand. You may not be confused with the coefficient like 2 and with the sign like minus, because you are just dealing with the power 2. But when you will expand the polynomial a plus b whole cube, you may be confused with the coefficients and the sign, where you have to put the minus and where you have to put plus. For example, when you expand the polynomial a plus b whole cube, first we have to write a cube, then plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But when you will expand the polynomial a minus b whole cube, then you have to remember where I have to put the plus and where I have to put the minus, where I have to put the 3 and where I have to put a square and where the b square. Today we will talk about a trick. By using that trick, you will not be confused about the sign and about the coefficient. Okay, let's start. This is called Pascal's triangle. First you have to write 1, write again 1 and 1. Now repeat this 1 again, add these two numbers, it will become 2. Now repeat this 1 again. Notice it. These are the coefficients of your polynomial a plus b whole square. You can use it for a minus b whole square with the trick that you can alternate the sign. Just for example, expand it. First, you have to write, this is the first variable, this is the second variable. Okay. First, you have to write the full power 1 and the full power of first variable. Then you have to write this coefficient 2, reduce the power of first variable and increase the power of second variable. Now lastly, write 1, reduce one more power of the first variable and increase one more power of the second variable. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. Now if you expand it for plus, just write all the signs of plus. But if you want to expand it for minus, just alternate the signs. For example, firstly there is plus, write as it is plus a square, then alternate it, it will become minus 2ab. There is minus, so alternate it, there will be again plus. This is a method you can expand the formula without memorizing it. Okay, let's Now let's continue. Repeat the 1 again, add these two numbers, it will become 3. Add these two numbers, it will become 3, and repeat the 1 again. Just notice it again. Now these are the coefficient of a plus b whole cube. You can expand it for plus and also for minus. Just look, a plus b whole cube. In order to expand it for a plus b whole cube, first you have to write the coefficient 1 and the full power of the first variable and the 0 power of the second variable. Now if you want to expand it for plus, just write all the signs of plus. Now write 3, reduce the power of the first variable and increase the power of second variable. Now write again plus, write the coefficient 3, reduce one more power of the first variable and increase one more power of the second variable. Again write plus, write the coefficient 1, reduce one more power of the first variable and increase one more power of the second variable. This is how you can expand a plus b whole cube. Now let's expand it for a minus b whole cube. Simply you can write a cube. Here you can observe here it is the sign of plus. Now alternate it, it will become minus 3a square b minus, then alternate it, it will become plus, write 3a b square, here is plus, alternate it, it will become minus b cube. This is how you can expand a minus b whole cube. You can also expand the polynomials having powers higher than 4 just following this rule. Let's check the coefficients of a plus b whole power 4. Just write 1 again, add these two coefficients, it will become 4. Add these two coefficient numbers, it will become 6. Again add these two coefficients number, it will become 4 and write 1 again. These are the coefficient for the polynomial a plus b whole power 4. Continuing in this way, you can find out the coefficient of the polynomial a plus b whole power n, where n may be any positive integer. Okay. You may also face difficulty while expanding the formula with 3 variables, for example a plus b plus c whole square. You can expand it easily because here the signs are same. You can easily expand a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. But when you are dealing with a minus b plus c whole square, you may be confused where you have to place the sign of plus and where you have to put the sign of minus. Let's solve this confusion. Okay, just place all the signs of plus. First write, here is a, first write a square plus, here is minus b, write minus b whole square plus, here is c, so write c square. Now plus 2a and minus b, because here you can see there is a sign of minus, so just again write plus 2ab, then we have to write minus b and c, minus b and c. Okay, now again write plus 2c and a. Now simplify it, it will become a square minus b whole square. Square will vanish the minus sign, so we will get b square plus c square. Now plus and this minus, plus and minus, plus and minus will become minus 2ab. Okay, minus b and 2bc, and this plus and minus again will become minus 2bc and plus 2ca. Just look, it's too easy to expand any formula having different signs. Let's explain it again. Again write the formula a plus b minus c whole square. Now let's expand it. A square plus b square plus, as there is minus c, So you have to write minus c square. Again write plus 2a and b plus 2b and minus c plus 2 minus c and a. Now a square plus b square plus as there is whole square, so it will vanish the sign of minus. So here is, so it will become c square plus 2ab plus and this minus, it will become minus 2bc plus and minus, it will become minus 2ca. In this way, without remembering the sign, without any